Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbook. So we're just going to code the previous problem and explain the graph. So here's the previous problem if you haven't done it already. So just follow the steps. And the final answer is 90.21 meters per second squared. Okay, so the Python code is shown, so you can copy and paste this in the pinned comment. Now, there is also other code that is in the pinned comment. However, I cannot show you that in this video for copyright reasons. But this is my original Python code and it works just the same. So you can just use this code instead. Okay, so you can pause the video, and just in case the pinned comment is not there, you can just pause the video and write it out yourself using Python. Okay, so here's the code. Basically, you're just going to plot two graphs. And one graphs the table and one is acceleration versus mass. Okay, that's the code. So don't worry too much, it should be in the pinned comment. Alright, so we're also going to run the code, so if you can't see it because you're not on PC, you're on a mobile, that's okay. I'm going to open up the IDE and the Visual Studio, and we're going to create these tables and graphs. So, okay, you've got some mass on this side and you've got some acceleration on this side. Alright, so let's have a look at the graph and let's explain what's happening. So as you can see, we've got acceleration on the y-axis and mass on the x-axis. And you can see that acceleration is inversely proportional to mass. So as mass is increased, acceleration is decreasing. Why is that? Well, when you have more mass, you're dividing the force more. So if you've got less mass, you're dividing the force less. So for example, if you got 2 kilograms, then your acceleration is 90.21, but if you got 4 kilograms, it becomes 45. So you just halved your acceleration. Okay, so that makes sense, and we're gonna demonstrate the code now. So as you can see, this is the Visual Studio IDE. We're gonna run it. And here's the graph. So it's just more detailed. Okay. Now I have to exit this graph to show you the table, which is a little bit annoying, but that's how the code works. Okay, so as you can see, and we'll just full screen. So this would probably be more beneficial to mobile viewers. As you can see, we've got an increase of half a kilogram, and you can see the acceleration. So the smaller the mass, the more acceleration you got. So the higher the mass, the lower acceleration. Okay, so before we leave, I recommend that you save this video. So I'm sure you've got the snipping tool, so you're familiar with it. If not, just follow the steps. So search up your snipping tool. It might be on your taskbar, so just search it using your Windows search. Follow the options or follow the steps. Click on the video option, click on new, left click drag the rectangle to cover your YouTube screen. This is just an example. Click the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button, let the video finish, and hit the red square to stop recording, then save your video to wherever you need to. Alright, so just to recap, the code is in the pinned comment with extra code that I can't show you on the video, but it'll be there. Python works just as well, to be honest. Okay, like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.